Hi there everybody, it's Lynnea for Simon Hurley Create. Today I'm going to be using a background stamp, the Splish Splash Background Stamp, that is meant to represent puddles, but when I first saw it, I thought that it looked like a certain starry painting. So I am going to be using this stamp set and kind of recreating it a little bit. I'm using my Misty to stamp this, and I took out the foam insert because this is a rubber background stamp, and I'm stamping onto a piece of navy cardstock. The easiest way that I have found to position cardstock when you are stamping with a background stamp is to add some double-sided adhesive, and just removable adhesive will work. Put that on the back and then flip your Misty closed. That way your paper is adhered onto the Misty itself. I'm going to ink up the Splish Splash background stamp with black ink, and then I heat set it. Now I'm grabbing a bunch of my shimmer watercolors, and I'm going to make this background look starry rather than splashy. So I'm adding some speckles of silver and gold, as well as white, pearlescent, and shimmer watercolor paints. And then I'll just dry this again. Once my background was dry, I thought that it still needed something else to look even more starry. So I grabbed my white gel pen. My favorite is the Jelly Roll size 10. So it's kind of a medium point. I find that the finer points don't let enough of the white gel through, so they clog. So the size 10 is my recommendation and the one that I always use. I'm just going to go through and make some stars. So I just kind of draw a long line and then a short line to make a little bit of a cross, and then I make an X in the middle of that, and I'll just do various sizes. I'll do some just dots and just fill in this background with this bright white gel pen to make this background look even more starry. Now all I need is a sentiment. So I grabbed one of my favorite stamp sets because it has gorgeous sentiments. I grabbed Flower Picking Friends, and I stamped a simple thanks along with a little sentiment to go underneath. I cut down my background panel so that I could have a little bit of a white border that brings the white around the sentiment all together and makes it look like one cohesive card project. I'm going to just pop up my sentiments with some foam, and of course I'm using my T-square ruler so that I make sure that I get these straight on my card. And this is really going to be it to finish off my card. It's really simple and a really easy way to make a fabulous background. This would be great for graduations. You could make this look like fireworks in a starry sky if you wanted to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you again soon. Bye! Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.